How long have you known? How long have you known?
How long have you known?
How long have you known?
How long have you known? Means, since when? You use this to ask how long someone has known something or someone.
Everything is under control.
Everything is under control.
Everything is under control.
Everything is under control.
Everything is under control. Means, no need to worry. You use this to tell someone everything is okay.
Caught you!
Caught you.
Hans, I caught you.
Glad I caught you.
I caught you. Means, I saw what you did. You use this when you see someone doing something wrong or secret.
Know you're here.
Know you're here.
I know you're here.
I know you're here. Means, I'm aware of you. You use this to show that you know someone is there.
Anything, huh? I did
Everything to try.
I did everything. You don't.
everything I did.
I did everything.
I did everything. Means, I tried all I could. You use this to say you tried your best.